Morning students, hope you are all okay. Today we will discuss the questions of the exercise 1, 2, 3, 4 from the text. That is, we will discuss textual questions and answers from lesson number, I think 5. Yes, 5. All summer in a day. Now, tick the correct answer from the given alternatives. First, men and women came from the earth to Venus by number 1 aeroplanes, number 2 helicopters, number 3 rockets, number D satellites, and the answer will be rockets. Next, the children learned that the sun was like a oblique an lemon, apple, orange, guava. Answer will be lemon. Third, the children had long forgotten the color of the earth, sun, Venus, moon. The answer will be sun, B. Next, 4. When the children felt warm in the sun, they took off their jackets, sweaters, blazers, coats. Answer will be jackets. Next, number 5. The children came to know that the sun would come out after 2 years, 6 years, 7 years, 9 years, and the answer will be 7 years. Now, textual questions, exercise 2. First question, how did the heavy storms affect the islands of Venus? Answer, the heavy storms affected the islands of Venus with huge tidal waves. Next question. What did the children write about the sun? The children wrote small stories, essays, or poems about the sun. Next, third, what did the children play? The children played in the jungle of Venus. Next, how did the jungle in Venus look? The jungle in Venus looked like the color of rubber, ash, or ink. Next, questions, exercise 3. Were the children eager to see the sun? The children had forgotten the color and the heat of the sun. They had read about the sun in the class the day before, so they were eager to see it. What did the children do immediately after the rain stopped? The children rushed out from their underground houses and started running. Taking off their jackets, they enjoyed the warmth of the sun. They yelled in joy. Next, why do you think that the children were feeling unhappy when it started raining? The children felt unhappy because they would never play for any more 7 years in the rainy world. They would have to remain indoors. They would not enjoy the warmth of the sun. These were the textual questions, exercise 2 and 3. And now, exercise 4. Exercise 4, you have to tell what kind of sentence, such as a cool wind blew around them. It is a simple sentence. We have already discussed that a simple sentence is one that has a finite verb, only one finite verb. We have discussed in our previous class. So, a cold wind blew around them. It is simple sentence. When the sun came out last 7 years ago, they were too young. It is a complex sentence because when the sun came out last 7 years ago, this is dependent clause or subordinate clause. They were too young. This is principal clause, which is not dependent on the other. They took off their jackets and let the sun warm their arms. Two main clauses. They took off their jackets, main clause. Let the sun warm their arms, main clause, and coordinating conjunction, and therefore it will be compound sentence. Now exercise 5. I have a blue pen. Change into a complex sentence. I have a pen which is blue, or a pen that I have is blue. One is subordinate clause and other is main clause. Seeing a snake, the boy shouted. Compound sentence. You have to change it. This is simple sentence. Seeing a snake, the boy shouted. You have to change it into a compound sentence. The boy saw a snake and he shouted. Third, I know a man who is very wise. Change into a simple sentence. I know a very wise man. Know is only one finite verb. Number 4, the girl who is dancing on the stage is my sister. You have to change it into a compound sentence. The girl is dancing on the stage and she is my sister. It is compound sentence. Next, number 5. I met my friend and told her about an incident. Change into a simple sentence. Meeting my friend, I told her about an incident, because only one finite verb is told. Next, the sky was overcast but it did not rain. Change into a complex sentence. Although the sky was overcast, comma, it did not rain. It will be complex sentence. Although the sky was overcast, it is dependent clause, subordinate clause. In the main clause, it did not rain. Therefore, it will be a complex sentence. Hope you have understood these exercises, questions and answers. We will discuss the writing portion in our class. Now, only some home task. First one, multiple choice question. It's stopping, it's stopping. Here it refers to the A, storm, B, wave, C, rocket, D, rain. Next, number 2. A civilization had been set up in the world of A, Venus, B, Mars, C, Jupiter, D, Neptune. Third, the children of Venus were all A, 9 years old, B, 10 years old, C, 12 years old, D, 11 years old. Next, when the sun came out last time, the children were too young to, number A, enjoy it, B, forget it, C, remember it, D, talk about it. Next, the jungle of the Venus was completely destroyed by A, fire, B, rain, C, storm, D, heat of the sun. Now, answer the following questions within 15 words. First one, name some of the famous stories written by Ray Bradbury. Number 2, What filled the days from one end to the other on planet Venus? Number 3. Why did tidal waves come over islands? Number 4. How were the forests affected with rain? These were all home tasks. Try to write and I will discuss in the class. Okay. Have a good day. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Okay.